Hi, welcome to the For Seller channel. This video will show you how to scrape Alibaba products and publish them to your Shopify store. First, please search for For Seller Scrape extension at the Chrome Web Store. Choose to add it to your Chrome option. Right now, For Seller supports scrape products via two ways. First one is to scrape product one by one. And after you enter the Etsy product details page, the extension will pop up automatically. You can choose to scrape this product and generate it to your store draft page or scrape it to the collection box. Right now, let us choose to the collection box. And then choose View Scraped button. The page will jump into the scrape page. You need to find the product that you have scraped and choose to push to your store. Click the shop you want to push to and wait for ends of the green progress bar and choose Go to Publish. And the page will enter into your Shopify store draft page. If the product information meet the Shopify publish rules, the status of the product can become publishable and you can publish it directly. Let me show you how to scrape product and generate it into store draft. Choose Generate Store Draft and choose the platform and store you want to publish, then click the Save as Draft button. And enter your Shopify draft page to publish it directly. And the second method, you can choose to batch scrape products. Choose Listing module and enter the scrape page. Copy the links you want to scrape into the Scrape link box and choose Scrape button and choose Push to Store and click which store you want to publish them. And choose Go to Publish. The page also enter the store draft page automatically. If all the product information you collect meets the posting requirements of Shopify, the status of the product will change to publishable, and you can batch publish them. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to experience more For Seller function, you can subscribe For Seller channel and sign up an account to know more.